Can $100 really turn into $1,000, fast? Money bag. Most people think it's impossible. But with the right strategy, it's not about luck, it's about smart moves. Show $100 transforming into $1,000 with glowing effect. Turning $100 into $1,000 isn't about gambling or guessing. It's about using high leverage, smart, and repeatable strategies. In this video, learn practical ways to multiply small money using skills, systems, and opportunities. Stay till the end to discover how to scale once the first $1,000 is reached. Show text, $100 $1,000 Blueprint. Section 1, Flip Products for Profit. One of the fastest ways to grow money is flipping. Show buying cheap items selling higher. Buy low. Sell higher. Examples. Thrift items. Electronics. Furniture. Buy for $20, sell for $50. Repeat multiple times. $100 can quickly grow with consistent flips. Section 2, Offer a simple service. Skills can turn small money into fast income. Show laptop plus service icons. Examples. Social media posts. Logo design. Video editing. Resume writing. Charge $20 to $50 per task. Complete 20 to 30 tasks equals $1,000. Section 3, Freelancing Platforms. Use platforms to find clients fast. Show gig marketplace UI. Create a simple gig. Offer something valuable and quick. Low price at start, build reviews, increase rates. Section 4, Digital Product Reselling. Sell ready-made or simple digital products. Show ebook/template selling repeatedly. Examples. Templates. Guides. Printables. Cost to create equals low. Profit margin equals high. Sell multiple times to scale income. Section 5, Affiliate Marketing. Promote products and earn commission. Show link clicks turning into money. Share links through social media. Short videos. Simple websites. Even small commissions add up quickly. Section 6, Content Creation, Short videos. Short-form content can grow fast. Show views increasing rapidly. Platforms push viral content. Monetization comes from ads, sponsorships, affiliate links. One viral video can multiply income. Section 7, Micro Investing and Trading. Use small capital carefully. Show small trade turning profit. Focus on low-risk trades. Quick gains. Smart timing. Even small percentage gains can grow fast. Warning: risk exists, never invest blindly. Section 8, Print on Demand. Sell custom designs online. Show t-shirts selling automatically. Upload designs, platform handles everything. Profit per sale adds up over time. Section 9, Online Arbitrage. Buy discounted products and resell online. Show price difference animation. Find deals list at higher price. Profit from price difference. Simple but effective. Section 10, Stack and Reinvest. The real secret is not one method. It's combining them. Show multiple income streams merging. Example. Flip products $300. Freelancing $400. Affiliate $300. Total equals $1,000 plus. Reinvest profits to grow faster. Bonus tips. Tip 1, Speed matters. Focus on methods that bring quick results. Tip 2, Avoid risky shortcuts. Stay away from scams or get-rich-quick traps. Show warning sign. Tip 3, Reinvest profits. Don't spend early, grow the money. Show money multiplying. Tip 4, Take action. Ideas don't make money, execution does. Turning $100 into $1,000 isn't magic. It's strategy plus action. Show transformation again. Start small. Move fast. Stay consistent. Because the first $1,000 is the hardest and the most important. And once that first $1,000 is reached, everything changes. It's no longer about if money can be made. It becomes about how fast it can grow next. Show $1,000 turning into multiple streams. Now the strategy shifts. From earning to scaling. Let's break that down. Instead of starting over every time, the focus becomes using that $1,000 to create more income streams. Show money splitting into different paths. For example, take that $1,000 and divide it smartly. $400 reinvest into flipping. $300 scale a service or freelancing. $300 invest into content or digital products. Now instead of one income source, there are multiple. This is called income stacking. Show streams merging into bigger flow. Each stream may seem small, but together, they grow faster. Another powerful move is automation. Show system running automatically. Once something works, turn it into a system. Reduce manual effort. Let it run consistently. Example. A service can turn into a digital product. A one-time sale can become recurring income. Then comes scaling what works. Show winning strategy expanding. Instead of trying new random ideas, double down on what is already making money. If something makes $100, improve it until it makes $500. Then $1,000. Also, focus on speed plus consistency. Show fast-moving progress bar. Small wins repeated daily create big results. Even $20 to $50 per day adds up quickly. And here's something important. Confidence grows with results. Show beginner confident entrepreneur. Once money is made once, it becomes easier to repeat. This is how people move from $100 $1,000, $1,000 $10,000, $10,000 beyond. Show exponential growth chart. Not through luck, but through systems, repetition, and smart decisions. At this stage, money is no longer just earned. It's being multiplied. Show multiplying effect. And that's the real goal. Not just making money once, but building a system that keeps producing more, and in the end, it all comes down to one simple truth. Making money isn't the hardest part. Keeping it, and growing it, is where real success happens. Show $100 $1,000 $10,000 growth animation. Because turning $100 into $1,000 proves something important. It proves that the system works. That money can be created, multiplied, and controlled. But most people stop there. They celebrate the win and go back to starting over. Show loop repeating. The real advantage comes from doing the opposite. Take that first success and build on it. Reinvest. Scale. Repeat. Show cycle animation, earn, reinvest, grow. Over time, small wins turn into bigger opportunities. More capital. More confidence. More income streams. And eventually, the focus shifts again. From making money fast to building long-term wealth. Show stable upward chart. Because fast money can start the journey, but smart systems sustain it. So the real question is not, can $100 turn into $1,000? The real question is, what happens after the first $1,000? Because that first milestone is just the beginning. Show final text, start small. Move fast. Scale smart. Take action. Stay consistent. And turn small money into something powerful.